Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm down at the allotment again, and what I'm going to be doing today is try and tackle this floor. I've got this old one down, but because the floor's not even, I'm going to try and even it out a little bit more. I don't know if I can, or I might have to bring some mulch and put in places just to level it off, and then get it sorted that way, and then put the weed membrane mat on top. So if you're liking our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. We don't just leave you stranded. It might take us a couple of days because we've got other things doing, other projects. We do photography, so we're doing funerals and weddings and stuff like that. So bear with us, and we will eventually answer your questions when we get to them. So what we're going to do, we're going to clear this out and then get the flooring sorted, and then work from there. Right everybody, as you can see now, we've got everything out. So that's the floor. You can see it's not level at all. So I'm gonna have to try and put some mulch down in the places where it's not level, so I can get the new flooring on. So everything's looking good so far. Just try and get I'm looking at the temperature in there. It says the humidity in there is 74 and the temperature is 11.6 in there because I've got the door open. Right, so got that. So I'm going to go around and get some mulch and try and level off this side a bit more. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so we've brought round some mulch. Just going to try and even it up as best as I can. We won't get it exactly level, but we'll get it to... Got the wrong rake for this, but just have to persevere with it. So I'm going to try and level this off, and then I'll show you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've nearly got it down. It's just the side bits what take a bit of time, because you've got to stretch it as much as we can. Right now you can see I'm sweating, it's really hot in here. It's at 12.4 C and 80% humidity, so you can see it's good. Once we get to the growing season, it's going to be really hot in here, so glad that the doors are big enough. What I might do as well is try and see if I can get a grill to go across the top or something, what can go here, what can stop a lot of the insect and flies, that when you leave it open you know that birds and everything ain't going to come in through there. So we're getting there. It takes a bit of time, but you just have to persevere and you'll get through. So you can see now it's more leveled out, the floor. Put the mulch down and everything so that keeps it in place. So what I'm doing now is just putting the side ones in. Then when it, you have to remember where your concrete is as well. So later on now, if I want to now, I can come along, get some more clips and put it in, making sure that this is all going underneath. But I'm not sure how many more clips I've got. I've got to go right up to the corner there. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so we've got the flooring down. I'm really hot. So that's the flooring for now until we're going to start putting in our staging now and see how we want to work this polytunnel out. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I just went around and just checked that there wasn't any high spots. I can put some pins in. I'm going to order some more pegs later on, and where I see it not gone down, I'm just going to put some extra pegs in. And I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing with the middle, if I'm going to be putting a path down the middle or just leave it like this for now. So might have to get some slabs and come up. So I hope you all enjoy that one. That's how I put down my polytunnel floor. So if you can, people use different methods. They put down, some people put down mulch or stones, or they put bed it off and then put the mulch along the path and everything. So there's a lot of different ways you can do it, but this is how I want to do mine. Try and keep as much of the weeds down as I can. So thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you all on the next one where I'll be doing the staging.